msomo yi omo moton there silent flammable
explosives no
unim bibi we are crisis manage ayo anameboa for over a period of time nanko for no ho what was plans in place and omo hu say saade no kwa no afi ye hu say enye papa say be ma wo mo ne attend pam so what was the friends yes
maybe from the look of things because fire service in their reports as I report ye we are mo men kan Akoma FM 87.9 no ku bi some krom kan ayi dia o mo set ya body kan US impany for better na ho we say akot dan kan na ye prapra ho ne ade it was indicated that they should clear them.
When that was when
well that was 2023 after fire no
a buy
no it was a reporter when we hear who you say yes combustible shouldn't be there and on and a pocket of fire incidents are recorded bia maybe all they are not specific maybe a shop on there
likely say them be on bit my courses are there.
Yes. Recently Thursday no nearly nanka ba konso say cause fire eno mo bie a o mo kohwe na ye sa product na heat ni ade na ma na yes
and you know I think say automate no dey ma o it's not a bad idea but baby o mo do mo call what provisions be na because
yes almost say so what they are saying is that almost special containers be say can you see from Akoma FM 87.9 to manage heat
so
for them
provided have they make sure that those places are well
oh the place is there except that they are engaging further but until that time they are not too sure what will happen next
because with you issues you have to know how ubetimi edini papa free I'm an alternative yes when you baby and you ma be na o say ha na ye taye ma me ni BBC a ye koto o magusa race course ho ye nya ekwan ye nya hwe even you na ne ho anwan ya ne jai sa enti we na ma hu say ye no what things have you put in place
okay
nipa no do say
so I'm into offer
Sani must say if you want to deal with it properly yes a key a timely friends action so that sense uncle fast and fufu bi anyade emma me madwene mu no em say nipa no moton Sani man omo shada no so first and foremost let's provide a safety net for them we can safety net and say a bit take be 1 month and your team dey deal with issue properly we nipa be 100 week bia ye must typing 87.9 ye hotomo operations immediately ye yimu nyama nyina afiri ho because obi anim de besi but some on time fie ma common kwade mu emanement no e bia weekly typing bi week bia monye kopim se ba bia ye de mu kɔ no it is a kwana ba bia ye move mu nyama na kɔ no ye move akɔ ba bia e wo so bibia ntimi nkɔ dai e hon kɔ ba under your friends what said bibia kwantimi means kopim se bia be yes arrangement within the month no I we yes it takes away one more appeal for extension in Sanamanema.
Yeah.
Because nobody knows extension period even from now I almost submitted the friends a request for extension until such a time a decision will be made on it. Will be any
bit.
So I feel say yempe baby you move on money na fanko on tonsa na put in the watch to be quick to be who bit mako ye bibia ya pam say ne panafio it's a what dey enkofo ehwe say 2 months na baby a wo share dem containers ne kwa na ye pese a special containers no ye nkyere wo ma adekudi ntiko asa container ne ye special na afemu ko ho no A B C D ye nya no ho obi ba na sigeti twena no ana bibi kwansi a wo ko ho no kwa ye nsanye bibi fence bi a obi tia no wo makota de ebucha wo ne ma weni we wo ho a jesi a ni amount card bi sɛ deɛ wokɔ mɛkɔma yɛyi bi ma wowie a wodu a ne so deɛ wonim koraa no ɔnya ɔpanyɛ bi amfa biribi ankɔ na kɔkɔfa asɛm bi ayɛ dɛ aba I think sɛ woyɛ biribi saa it is the best
not just say we are just clearing them and that is that.
No. And it's a
Friday no.
A bit of Busumi Milukrami and Son, I didn't know why, you dealt with against it, yes.
Friday, Yanni Zubak has also say they are meeting them as part of arrangement or more free. They are meeting them on Friday, no. But by Sunday and they will follow up. I share be more there. Me check says but as at them right, na baby na clear or more dear free. As to where our model comedy corner is also another thing. Said enough for
work. Yeah. Why I call we be coffee. I go fast member. Yeah. Because so manage bibisana. Unya hu sa ade no. A threat be hard. Who understand no. Aburu obi ade so. And you see you leave no room for some many be say emi dey. Ensi nipa de ugya no obepre no so ba bia de kokora no ho yi ho nyo ne se ye betimi ko akọ na mo ye ho ye wi ase ye to kokora mutima ye ho yi nta fe se ye bibi sa uji ade bia sa enema se no it comes at friends with a cost. The only thing you do as a manager and say hwe kon afaso betimi minimum sa cost no na o achieve ade apeso we dey and ka sa extension and mamukura because ade no e threat to bia whether say o to obi and I could party over baby, which you crowd call. The business here, would agua ebi account. In the young ones, I did Senate here. Yentown and ma, Yamay extends a moment, because I've been you knew what it takes to control the and then I'm so much sound crowns. Yeah. A bay. They make a class.
No, you're right. You're right. Send here there or somebody.
Yeah,
and within that period, that arrangement, definitely you take into consideration. Almost, I mean, they said I'm working. I'm with for sure on this man, and I am happy with this approach. Say, if say a year, almost fan go baby warehouse be a house heat because
any baby come no and yasema or money the next vendors or whatever it is, at least system feed why baby no what matter more is a baby crazy
minimizing
and some form come fra